You'll be alright. You'll be fine, Carl.
I'm not in here.
It's not, mate. They do it with a big teaspoon, don't they?
You'll be alright. Get it down, you bastard.
Hurry up.
Take it all day.
Come on, we ain't got all day. Now try and swallow it. Lee. 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 Lee, look at you. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it.
You'll be alright. You do the worst of it, didn't you?
Yeah. What's it feel like?
It's brutal. You just got a cotton mouth.
It was only a little bit.
Yeah. That's not you bastard.
Can't do what?
Well, you literally can't swallow it.
Try and swallow it. Chew it. As if you're chewing it.
Doesn't matter, there's no time constraint. You can take all day. That's right, Nick Blackie.
Yeah, he can take as long as he wants.
Love it when this stuff flies out.
Hey, where's the moustache gone? Do you reckon you could do another?
You're getting through it now, yeah? You're getting through it now, aren't you?
Do you reckon you could do another now? What do you mean you don't feel well? That's because you got pissed last night.
You're finishing it now, aren't you? Is it going down now? Well, you swallowed like literally nothing.
Just swallow it.
Yeah.
Can't drink.
Yeah, have a drink.